Hello and welcome to the Bukola Kadri channel. If you're planning to reunite with your family in Germany, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on applying for a family reunion visa in Germany. Stick around until the very end for some bonus tips that can increase your chances of approval. First, let's talk about what a family reunion visa is and who it is for. This visa allows family members of citizens of Germany or residents to join them in Germany. This visa is commonly used by spouses, children, parents of individuals living in Germany. Now that we know what the visa is for, let's dive into the application process. The first step is to confirm your eligibility. You need to make sure that your relationship with the person is legally recognized in Germany. For example, spouses need a valid marriage certificate and children require a birth certificate showing the relationship. Next, gather all the required documents. And here's a checklist to help you out. Valid passport, recent biometric photos, proof of relationship, e.g., marriage or birth certificate, proof of financial support or sponsorship, proof of German language proficiency, A1 level for spouses, health insurance coverage, resident permit or citizenship proof of the sponsor in Germany. Double check your documents to make sure everything is accurate and up to date. The next step is to book an appointment at a German office or consulate in your country. Visit the website of the German embassy or consulate in your country and book an appointment. Remember, appointment slots can fill up so quickly, so you need to plan ahead. On the day of your appointment, submit your application along with all required documents. You also need to pay a visa fee, which is usually around 75 euros for adults and 35.50 euros for minors. You'll likely be required to attend a visa interview. Now, you need to be prepared to answer the questions about your relationship and your plans in Germany. Honesty is key here. After submitting your application, the waiting game begins. Processing time can vary from a few weeks to a few months, depending on the specific case and the embassy's workload. Now, here are some bonus tips to help your application go smoothly. Start your application early to avoid delays. Ensure all documents are translated into German by a certified translator if necessary. Practice basic German for the language proficiency test. Keep copies of all submitted documents for your record. Let's quickly address some common questions about the family reunion visa. Question 1, do I need health insurance? The answer is yes. Health insurance is mandatory for your stay in Germany. Question 2, can I work in Germany with this visa? Answer, it depends on the type of visa and your specific circumstance. Spouses of German citizens often have the right to work. Question 3, what if my application is rejected? You can appeal the decision or reapply with improved documentation. And that's it, guys. I hope this guide helps your application process much easier. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. If you have questions and tips of your own, drop them in the comment section below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.